food is quite tasty.
The talent that is in Pakistan is fantastic.
हेलो वीवर्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। पाकिस्तान में क्रिकेट टैलेंट हंट करने के लिए MG ज़ल्मी कैंप का इनेकाद किया गया। 2 माह से ज़ल्मी कैंप जो है वो पूरे पाकिस्तान से डिजिटली वीडियोस जो है वो रिसीव कर रहा था। हज़ारों लोगों ने वीडियो के ज़रिए इस कैंप में पार्टिसिपेट किया, लेकिन कल शालीमार क्रिकेट स्टेडियम रावलपिंडी में 40 शॉर्ट लिस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स को जो है वो इस कैंप में बुलाया गया, जिस कैंप में पेशावर ज़ल्मी के हेड कोच डैरन सैमी और साउथ अफ्रीका के वर्ल्ड क्लास बैट्समैन हाशिम आमला ने जो है वो शिरकत की। इन 40 नौजवान क्रिकेटर्स को जो है वो डैरन सैमी ने, हाशिम आमला, वहाब रियाज, कामरान अकमल ने जो है वो टिप्स दी। हाशिम आमला और डैरन सैमी जो है ऑफिशियली इस कैंप का हिस्सा थे। वहाँ पे मौजूद लड़कों को उन्होंने जो है वो ब्रीफिंग्स दी और मीडिया के नुमाइंदों से भी बात की। उनका क्या कहना था वो आप सुने इस वीडियो में।
From a runs perspective, we saw probably the old faithful scoring the runs. There were not too many youngsters that came through, to be honest. And obviously halfway through the tournament, it's a bit too early to make any judgments. And I think when you see in June when we start again, the names will slowly start coming through.
Hashim, first of all, welcome to Islamabad, the capital of the Pakistan. What was the experience? You are a great batsman and great player of the world, and now as a mentor, how is your experience?
Alhamdulillah, I've had a lovely experience. Obviously, coming to Islamabad is lovely. We've often talked, and Darren's mentioned about the talent in the bowling department. So now in this position, you start noticing these things a lot more. I mean, as a player, you're kind of in your own game and you worry about your own performance. But now seeing the talent that is in Pakistan is fantastic. One of the things that, yes, we are, as a Zalmi team, always looking for good talent, and the bowlers are coming through. But an important aspect will be to get the batters to come through. The talent is not short, not in Pakistan, not anywhere in the world. And I think one of the crucial factors is when you have the talent is the nurturing process for them to get to the international level. And that is the most important, because every country's got talent, but the structures that lead up to international cricket is very vital.
Okay, last week question, Nasir.
People of Pakistan love Darren and respect you. How you feel?
Alhamdulillah, nothing is from us. Alhamdulillah, if it's any good that has come, we're grateful. And I've been fortunate to work with Darren. We're both in a similar coaching path that we've been on, and we've thoroughly enjoyed it. And obviously under the tutorship of Akram Sahib, we've had a good time, and we're continuing to learn. I think one of the great things is allowing ourselves to kind of develop into this role and watching the talent come through. Certainly, hopefully Pakistan will continue to develop, and the structures that lead up to international cricket.
Last question, sir.
Hashim Amla, you have played different leagues all over the world. When we compare IPL and PSL,
Yes.
in which country have you find more talented players? In Pak or India?
No, there's talented, as I just mentioned earlier, every country has talented players. And I think it's, to be very honest with you, when I look at South Africa, I always think, wow, we've got amazingly talented players. So it's not a case of, oh, this country is more talented than that country. It's the structures that lead up to international cricket that will allow the international team to be successful more consistently. And the talent is here. It's about the nurturing that takes place.
Last question.
Welcome to Pakistan, first of all, and then tell me that how you find youngster of Pakistan, and especially Peshawar Zalmi, and what do you want to say about our talented player?
No, the Zalmi family is fantastic. The efforts they're putting into development is amazing, as you are seeing here. And I know from Akram Sahib how he's told me about the trips that they take, the 5-hour, 6-hour drives to unearth talent from the PK area and from surrounding areas. This type of commitment you have to appreciate, and it's always good that will come at the end of it. So it's been a great experience, and as I said earlier, hopefully it continues.
A brief comment from you both. The way Javed Afridi is feeding you, the kadais, the kebabs. Are you enjoying his food, traditional food in Shinwari?
Man, he needs to learn how to, when I say no, it means no. But I must say the food is quite tasty.